Ideal for small spaces, hanging baskets can hold trailing plants like Avio petunas. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Old leather bookshelf or stools can be turned into creative plants stand. Ideal for controlling soil quality and miniaturized beds can customize a retaining space. Utilize walls or fence to grow climbing plants or install vertical garden systems. A spill shed rice beds can customize space and create microclimate for various herbs. A mix of flowering plants can attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Adding a small pond, fountain, or bird bath can enhance the aesthetics and attract wildlife. Crab, fruit trees, berry bushes, and vegetable plants in your garden designed for productive and beautiful space. Create charming paths using stepping stones, gravel, or wood chips. Perfect for patios or small spaces. Use containers or various sizes to grow diverse range of plants. Set up a compost bin or a pile recycle garden waste and enrich your soil. Intricate benches, swings, or hammocks to create relaxing spots within your garden. Perfect for mobility, rolling carts can hold multiple plants and be moved easily for optimal sunlight. Integrated grow lights can help indoor plants thrive, especially in low maintenance conditions. These ideas can help you create a beautiful and functional garden space, no matter the size. So this is called today's videos. Thanks for joining us, thanks for visiting, thanks for subscribe our channel, thanks for watching. Bye bye.